Thank you. Mama, torí àyè tẹ́ wà. Díẹ̀. Torí àyè tẹ́ wà. Right? Irú ìlú ẹ̀ka àwọn ìjọba Nàìjíríà tọ́jú. Ṣùgbọ́n wọn ò ná ní èèyàn. Ṣẹ̀gbọ́n wọn ò ná ní mẹ̀kúnnù. Ìjọba tí kò ná ní mẹ̀kúnnù. Wọn ò dẹ̀ gbọ́ràn. Rice ní 2,000 fún yín, 2,000 fún yín. Ẹ̀yin méjì yẹn ní 2,000. 10,000, 10,000. Yes, okay.
Ó ṣe ń wọ Jésù. 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 Adúgbò Jésù.
15. 5,000 náà ta lọ́jà. 15.
Tọ́lá tí kì í máa jẹ́ kí n kọ́ ṣayé mi. Gbogbo ayé tí mo ní mọ́ ò dá sọ̀rọ̀. Samet ló ti sáré mo kàn.
Thank you. I will sell it for you for 1,500. We are putting 1,500. Yes, okay.
Mo ti sáré mo nàgà sílẹ̀. Ọwọ́ mi ò tó. Èrò tí mo wò sí bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò sálábàárò kankan. Kò sẹ́bí o kò sára. Mi ò máa lẹ́nu kan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá lọ pẹ́ jù. Aráyá fi mí kúrò o. Àṣẹ Ọlọ́run ìpè tó pe Ayọ̀délé. Ètì tí Ọlọ́run ìjọ ìrìn sọ̀rọ̀. Ìpè Ọlọ́run Ayọ̀délé má ṣe mí lẹ́bi nìkan. Èèyàn tó dá tí mi bá jẹ́ nìkan ṣayé mi. Gbogbo ayé tí mo bí mọ́ ò dá sọ̀rọ̀ mi. Ọmọ wọn lẹ́kìtì ẹlẹ́bi tèmi. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ gbàrẹ́. Tẹ́ bá gbọ́ gbàrẹ́.
Thank you. Èèyàn mẹ́rin láti sọ pé kàlẹ̀ ṣe èèyàn mẹ́rin.
Is that how we use it for politics? People should wake up. There's actually people are in base. Police, army, content, anybody, they're all in base. And in order to checkmate this fallacy, the standard way of doing it is that the government have a package and have a committee. Those this person, it's not a committee of government. It's a committee of people who will reach out to the needy. We know the number of needy that was passed across and get across. It should not reach to this point. what he said October last year, he said if there will be cost a food crisis and commodities before the election. This is the reason why I said I'm not against Tinubu sincerely. You don't say it because they don't see what is going to happen today. The best thing we have done, Tinubu, Atiku, Obi, that have come together and form a government of national unity. Instead of the election, this would have helped Nigeria. Either you take it serious or you don't believe it. I am coming from the spiritual angle. God of President Unity would have helped us at the first instance to sort out the situation. Nigeria will be better. There will be no need for dollar. Then ministers from the three parties. We are not right again for one particular party to rule us. This is the right message. And this is failure ahead of this one. If they didn't do the right thing, honestly, see, flower will be scarce. You see bread for 1,000 too. That's one of the reasons I want to have a breakthrough, which I'm going to commission on the 17th. I will reduce the price of bread in my own little way. Healthcare. That is why I'm commissioning healthcare on the 18th. So that the disadvantaged people can have access to healthcare. State governments, they don't care about it, so the politicians are running it. In our own little way, that is going to be our own contribution to assist government. Religious tolerance. I want to be one of the people who will understand what religion is all about. Both Christians and Muslims. We have to come together. That spirit of scholarship, we have to keep it rolling. Whereby Muslim and Christian, we can relate. We want to criticize again. I want to build a mosque. I wish I'm going to come to soil on the 18th. And before December, I will commission it. Around this place. Then I want to build low income earners. I will also pay from you a flat of 80 million. Journalists have said for 20 million, then I give you 6 years to pay. I will give for the members, I will give for outside, I will give for Muslims, I will give for Christians. These are the things I want to be doing. Apart from prophecy, I want to see in another angle. Nobody can solve my prophecy. It's a gift. I will continue to say it. And it will continue to happen. Before we go to happen, go and check the history. We are the first to say that. See, the time we see the country, we get to say, man, you are here when I said it. And our next one country is that it's likely to win the cup, which I never go to run. When I want to talk when events is close. We want to talk 3-6 months ahead. So apart from prophecy, these are the serious things we do. You know, we have a lot of people who doesn't understand. That's why I don't know can. I don't know PFL. Can PFL is political. Can president, they will never say the truth. Unification, they are political. They will never sell the truth to the nation because they are a student of the government. That's why they never try to say the truth. I'm ready to die for truth. I'm not afraid. to continue to say the truth, to do the right presentation. This is what the Lord says. I stand by it and I keep the ball rolling. In Nigeria today, the world at large, I'll get the recognition I want to get. What do you want to give me? What is any government wants to give me? I am better than many governments, and I can do more than any government. They have money, security goods. I don't have security goods. I don't collect tax. Goodwill keep me moving, and I spend my moving Jesus to help the government. I made this community this road. I spent millions for this road. The very part of it I'm commission it by June. So tell me what any big pastors are doing and we are not doing. We are above any pastor when we talk. Because you are criticizing us, we delete. I won't delete you. If you don't say I should say this, either you like it or you don't like it, I will read it. If you believe you are a coward, you are not a pastor. You are a professional. We have professional pastors. We have divine pastors. We are not the professional pastors. We have the divine qualities. It is not how many capacity of the church we do. Look at the church here. I won't tell you this capacity. They will not have that to look at the next one. They won't look up. Look at it. Other parents, but I'm also online. I'm not blaming anybody. Our friends. My friend always call. They are invited to live now. They are big man. And you are big man. You are BIBs. Just as I do. See them and happy. Making the widows to offer the vulnerable happy is my motto. It's my joy. If I don't do it, I won't be happy. I'm forced to start empowering the press, and I want to do it in another way where you will be happy. Nobody likes you because you write the truth. Write the truth, you say, I don't like you again, don't come to me. So that is why, because of the poverty in the group, press doesn't say the truth to me. I don't want to talk. I mean, write anything about me. If I know anything bad, correct me. Put it in your paper. You want to enter my room, you are free. If you see anything that is negative there, write it. I don't run after Yahoo. I don't go to God. I'm not a social person. I'm a bushman. A very bushman. But God does give me grace. You understand? All this one is grace. This is grace. I'm not to meet people like you. You are my best friend. And I want to do more because you are encouraging me. I have not do more, and I also want to do more. Don't hide me. Get investigate. Get the truth and write the stories. If there is a prophecy you don't understand, tell me. I will explain. If you don't say, oh, you write the way you understand. I don't understand it. This is what I do. During that people that I say, Nigeria will not vote for God's choice. I wish I was like that. Let you know. They don't begin to twist it. I said, I'm your record. And I think I know the president of Nigeria again. Nigeria will be. Don't let us talk about progress. Let's begin to relax. This is a relaxing period. So don't think that one. I want to thank you very much. You are all my friends. And my sons. I want to thank you. And thank you very much. If there are any questions you want to ask, you are free. In the absence of none, I believe that giving your